Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PFE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a whole lot of news and headlines and all of that, but almost one of those buy the rumor, sell the news type events, because you look during that opening 30 minutes, and it was just one big flush to the downside. Now, to be fair, it's not like it continued to flush and flush and flush for the rest of the day. It did stabilize out. But nonetheless, that has now created a couple of key technical levels to watch moving forward into next week. So the first thing I'm going to do here is just adjust this level of support here. Now that we have more data down here to that level at the $40.80 mark. When you go through the history of things, you can see right there, acted as support. And then today, support. Once again, this afternoon, support. So point here being, a lot of people are going to be watching 40.80. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So nothing's guaranteed, but it's more than valid to think that if the price were to come down to 40.80 and then break down below it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So that's going to be one level to watch from the support side of things. On the flip side of it all, in terms of areas of resistance, first key area of resistance to watch now is going to be that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it $41.75 cents. So 41.75, first key level of resistance, and the next key level going to be right up there at that. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line for now. That way we don't have a bunch of clutter and confusion everywhere, and we'll just focus on these two key levels. Really apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. So as far as supports, $40.80, and then as far as resistance levels, that 50 period moving average up there right around 41.75. So let's see how this one continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.